Today I'm going to show you how I cut a match in half, or split a match. This gives me 2 matches out of 1. I lay the match down on a flat piece of wood, and I put the point of a very sharp knife behind the head of the match, press down quickly, and split the head of the match. Then I lay the match down, be careful, and I find the crack and insert the knife through. And I grab the match behind the sharp knife blade, angle the knife downward, and slide the knife backwards. Now I have 2 matches. Remember, if you're trying to light these matches, they're thinner than regular matches, so you have to be a little bit gentle with them. And you also have to light the red part of the match on fire. Don't try and use the wood part of the match to strike it, because it won't work. It's kind of a neat technique. Apparently, during World War II, they could get up to 8 matches out of 1 match, which is pretty impressive. I've only managed to get 1 match, or to split 1 match in half and get that to work. So now I strike the match with the red part down and point the match downward, and it lights. Blow it out, and I have 2 matches instead of 1. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.